Kilarigbo Live TV.
Faster than the bullet, flying like a rocket. Bad man, we never rest. King of South and the West. Faster than the car, won't ever miss her. Faster than the Benz, oh. You blue level, my fight on the ground. Reading my sound, I'm so bad, I need to look at down them to the car. They won't say you're
shout out to everybody in the building tonight. Gloria al Potoke. Gloria al Potoke. Gloria al Potoke. Come on.
That girl, she got it, she got it, she got it. That girl, she got it.
Dirty December ló ń pè bí ẹjọ́. Orúkọ tèmi àwọn jẹ́ Ọláìdé Bákàrè aka Alájà tí ó kàn wá. From January to December kí ló yẹ ká dúpẹ́. níbo ni ìṣe àṣà níbo ló wà àárín àwa Yorùbá ni tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ ó wà ńbẹ̀ ó wà ńbẹ̀. Welcome to the biggest Owambe of 2023 wọn ti gbà kó sì tó bá ó wà ńbẹ̀. You see, don't get it twisted. Some, Gen Zs and co, I'm feel wípé Owambe is for the, the aunties, the big mummies and all that. Owambe, if Owambe is well organized, such as this notable event, even the children will love to be part of it. So guys, we are just using this medium to promote our culture, our tradition. Àwa la ní it's in us, ó ti wà nínú àwa gangan ní àṣà àti ṣe. And Owambe has been part of our tradition, our culture. That is who we are. A lot of people, if you want to have fun, you are not fully satisfied. Tẹ́ bá ti lọ ṣe torí mẹ́. Owambe gangan ló ti ṣẹlẹ̀. So this event is actually to, spotlight on our culture, what we do, how we do what we do. And this is Lagos State, Nigeria. Don't forget, there is no party like Lagos Party. And right now, we are experiencing history in Lagos, Nigeria. We are at Amore, Lekki Phase 1, and it's a blast. Gbogbo ẹ̀ ló ibẹ̀ la ti ń gbé bọ́dì. Mo dẹ̀ rí wípé ẹ̀yin náà ti gbádùn ara yín gan-an. Tó bá máa tún di next year, á tún tà jù báyìí lọ. Ẹ ṣáà mọ̀ because it's actually an annual event. Tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ Owambe, àṣà wa, ìṣe wa ni. And if you can see pé kò sí bó ṣe lè wù kó rí àwa la làṣà wa la ní ṣe. Yoruba culture tó a ṣe ń push ẹ nínú movies and all ẹ mọ̀ wípé top notch ni àwọn movies tẹ́ máa wò tẹ́ máa kọ́ gbọ́ tẹ́ máa rí bó ṣe ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láyé ìgbà yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lè mú mọ́tìsìn yìí bí gbogbo ẹ ṣe ń yí ẹ̀yin náà ti mọ̀ pé àwa Yorùbá la ní àṣà àti ṣe yẹn so ẹ̀yin tiwa don't get it twisted èyí tó ń bọ̀ lọ́nà ó yìí máa bá àdáwọn ìtẹ́sí rí lọ ẹ má fi àdúró mẹ́ ọ kẹ̀dẹ̀ máa wo Kilarigbo kébẹ̀ lẹ́tí máa mọ gbogbo behind the scenes àwọn gist oríṣiríṣi tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin àwọn celebrities ẹ̀ ṣáàmọ̀ Yorùbá wà ń bẹ̀ o Yorùbá tuntun sọjí ó dà pé gbà kan Yorùbá ń sùn à ń wo wípé ìjọba ò gbé wa láwọn èèyàn àrí sọpọ́tì ìgbà táwọn kan fúnra wa ti ń gbéra wọn ṣe rí wípé Yorùbá movie tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ ó ta lẹ́nu àwọn àmbẹ̀ gan orí wa wà ń bẹ̀ gan and a dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn producers wa tí wọ́n ń jáde tí wọ́n ń ṣe gudugudu méjì àti àyà mẹ́fà tí wọ́n ń gbé wa lárugẹ I'm so proud of them and they never disappoint yín èmi náà tún sọ fún yín wípé a ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ a ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ kílẹ̀ tí rí o a ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni gíga láyé tiwa Yorùbá movie I try gan na ó ti lọ fà gan ó ta lẹ́nu tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ ṣé ó ta lẹ́nu ó ta we love you for watching. Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ the most awaited movie of all time. Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ the most awaited book of all time on becoming Late Bakare make millions in 6 months is finally out. How does that feel? Feels so good. Àti ìrètí ẹ̀ ó máa dé kò ì dé ó máa dé ó ti dé ó ti balẹ̀ bí ọ̀wàrà òjò. On becoming Late Bakare make millions in 6 months is the book, and I thank God and I thank the people of United Kingdom. It was recently launched in London, and the reception was so amazing. The review, I'm blessed. I'm thankful, and we are planning the official Nigeria launch of On Becoming Late Bakare make millions in 6 months. You really need to get a copy. I know with reading culture in Nigeria is so poor, but it's a book that you need to keep. You don't have to rush it. Anytime ẹ kàn tún gbé ẹ kàn tún check ẹ a mọ̀ wípé ṣe mọ̀ òkè sókè sódò ẹ máa ń busy àwọn èèyàn really kàwé bẹ́ẹ̀ but àwọn ìwé kan wà tó yẹ pé bí ẹsẹ̀ kan ẹ kàn máa yọ sí ẹ kàn máa ẹ mọ̀ yẹ́sẹ̀ bá ti ráyè ẹ kàn ra ẹ peruse ni ẹ á ti peruse ẹ díẹ̀ ẹ rọ́pọ̀ kan àbí méjì kan ẹ tún dìyẹn mọ̀ tí yẹn pawọ́ lọ ń gbòòrò àwọn tẹ́lẹ̀ bá tún wò wípé akíló ń ṣe oríṣiríṣi la máa ń gbọ́n pọ̀ ọmọbìnrin yìí ẹ bá gbọ́ kan lẹ́nu àgbọ́ kan lọ́la ibi tẹ́sí máa gbọ́ bó ṣe ń lọ gangan from the horse's mouth how it started from my birth bí mo ṣe wọ industry bí mo ṣe ń ṣe kankan àwọn tips to financial freedom ó kún bẹ́ẹ̀ bámbám elédè là ń tà kò wọ́n it's online and it's offline request your copy and I'm sure you're gonna thank me for reading my story and my contribution to your financial breakthrough. I love you for reading.
This is your
Kilarigbo Live TV,